Welcome back, viewers. On to some more breaking updates coming in. This time, the NSUI state president Abhimanyu Punia has resigned from his post in expression of solidarity with Sachin Pilot being sacked from the Congress party. In fact, Gulab Chandra Kataria has also given in a reaction stating that this government is in minority in the state of Rajasthan and Congress will not do justice with democracy by luring MLAs with ministerial words. Let's go across to our executive editor Abhishek Kapoor joining us with more of this. So Abhishek, we are seeing two separate reactions and strong reactions coming in on Sachin Pilot being sacked from the Congress.
Well, Richa, we had reported just about a couple of hours back that the BJP would make its move only after it's clear what the Congress party intends to do. Congress party did it with that press conference, so to say, between, I beg your pardon, Randeep Surjewala and Ashok Gehlot, where they put the entire onus on Sachin Pilot, adding insult to injury or rubbing salt to the wounds, as one would say. Now, of course, we are waiting Sachin Pilot to respond. But in the meanwhile, two important comments coming from the BJP. Gulab Chandra Kataria is an important man. He has been Home Minister of Rajasthan under Vasundhara Raje, and he is, I believe, the leader of the opposition. And he has said that the manner in which Sachin Pilot has been treated is not right. Also, Rita Bahuguna Joshi in Uttar Pradesh, who is also someone who was a senior leader in the Congress party and moved over to the BJP ahead of the last year's general elections. She has, in fact, invited Sachin Pilot to give up all inhibitions and join the BJP. I'm sure Sachin Pilot would be making his own calculations. We reported how day before yesterday he had met Jyotiraditya Scindia in Delhi, and also we are told that he has been in touch with a couple of other BJP leaders. He also met Om Mathur, the senior BJP leader from Rajasthan and a vice president of the party, and even others, I'm told, the likes of Jay Panda, for example, in testing the waters, so to say, how he would be treated if he comes to the BJP. As I was saying earlier, Richa, there is a template of Madhya Pradesh where we have seen how Jyotiraditya Scindia has come onto his own vis-a-vis the Congress party, where he was being sidelined, humiliated, insulted, not even being given a Rajya Sabha seat from his home state. He was asked to go and take a Rajya Sabha seat from Chhattisgarh or Jharkhand. So we have seen subsequent developments and the manner in which he has really got his men-made ministers and been really empowered. Let's listen into what Gulab Chandra Kataria has said and then come back to our discussion, Richa.
Yes.
कांग्रेस अपने ही घर के झगड़ों से समाप्ति की ओर जा रही है। हमारे पर आरोप लगाने वालों को हमने पहले दिन से कहा कि आप अगर डूबोगे तो अपने घर के ही झगड़ों से डूबोगे, हमारे कारण से नहीं डूबने वाले हो। और आज उसका परिणाम आया। लेकिन एक बात जो मैं राजस्थान के मुख्यमंत्री जी को भी और राज्यपाल जी से भी निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ, ये सरकार आज की तारीख में अल्पमत सरकार है और अल्पमत सरकार केवल सरकार को टिकाए रखने के लिए मंत्रिमंडल के झुंझुने बांटने का जो काम करेंगे वो लोकतंत्र के साथ न्याय नहीं। मैं सोचता हूँ मंत्रिमंडल बढ़ाने का इनका अधिकार है मुख्यमंत्री का, लेकिन अब जिस स्थिति में आ गए हैं उसमें ये तय नहीं है कि इनके पास बहुमत है कि नहीं है। मैं सोचता हूँ राजस्थान की विधानसभा के फ्लोर पर बहुमत सिद्ध होने के बाद ही मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार करें तो जनता के प्रति न्याय होगा। बाकी तो केवल ये मंत्रिमंडल बांट करके और सचिव बांट करके और गाड़ियां पकड़ा करके बहुमत सिद्ध करने का प्रयास करोगे, लोकतंत्र के साथ एक तरह से चीरहरण का काम होगा। अगर दम है तो पहले हाउस के फ्लोर पर अपना बहुमत साबित करें और उसके बाद मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार करें तो जनता में एक अच्छी प्रतिक्रिया जाएगी।
Xavier Rodrigues, even as Richa continues to be with me. We will continue this discussion after a short break. Be right back.